see, I have 2 boxes over here and I'm about to unbox them. I haven't seen them, so I'm excited. Should wait a little longer until the floors were completely dry, but honestly I'm so excited that I can't wait. Let's get started with this box. These couches are amazing. They even have a variety of colors to choose from. I personally chose the beige one. So soft, and I love the color. The quality of them are amazing. This sofa is scratch resistant, waterproof, and very easy to clean. It is family and pet friendly, so you don't have to worry if your pets or your kids make a mess on it. It is also filled with high quality foam. This sofa is very soft and bouncy. It comes in a modular design. You can add or remove any pieces to the middle seat to meet your needs, with latches to the inner side of the sofa, and it is very easy to assemble. This will be a perfect addition for your home, especially if you love to have a beautiful aesthetic home without the worry that your kids or your pets will mess up your furniture. So if you're interested or looking for good couches, I will be leaving the link down below with any additional information. Thank you POVISON for sponsoring this portion of the video, and now let's continue with the cleaning.